Hey everyone, if you're dealing with a Vizio soundbar that's not working and showing those annoying blinking white lights, don't worry. We've got you covered. This is a common issue with 2025 models, often caused by simple glitches, connection problems, or software hiccups. In this video, I'll guide you through straightforward steps to get your soundbar up and running again. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Make sure your soundbar is properly plugged in and the power source is stable. Sometimes, a loose cord or a faulty outlet is the culprit. Unplug the device, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If the blinking persists, move on to checking your connections. Ensure the HDMI, optical, or Bluetooth links are secure and compatible with your TV or device. For Bluetooth models, try resetting the pairing by turning off both devices and reconnecting. Next, perform a factory reset. This can often resolve software issues. Locate the reset button on your Vizio soundbar, usually on the back or bottom, and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights stop blinking. Remember, this will erase any custom settings, so note them down if needed. After resetting, test the soundbar with a simple audio source. If that doesn't work, check for firmware updates. Vizio regularly releases updates to fix bugs. Download the Vizio app or visit their website, connect your soundbar, and follow the prompts to update. This step is crucial for 2025 models, as it addresses many recent compatibility problems. Still no luck? It might be a hardware issue. Contact Vizio support through their website or app. They offer great troubleshooting resources and warranty services. While you're at it, keep your soundbar in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating, which can cause these symptoms. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your Vizio soundbar blasting tunes in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help.